We are going camping today, and the kids requested to take some jollof rice with them. So I'm going to do a quick jollof and some turkey. Decisions: long grain basmati, I think we're gonna go with long grain. Of course, I'm going to be using jollof now. I don't have any stock, so I'm going to be using water, and I'm doing just 3 cups of rice because we only need 1 night of supper. Yeah, my rice is washed. Next steps. So jollof now is gonna go into my pot, and of course you have to rinse out your jollof now jar into the sauce, and then I just rinsed with the liquid. So I have 3 cups. I usually do 1-to-1 ratio, so I have 3 cups of water to my jollof now stock. Then I'm going to add in some Maggi, extra pepper, and salt. That's in. I also collected some fresh herbs from the garden just now, so I have some extra thyme, rosemary. I have this, which I absolutely love. I think we call this curry in Nigeria. I also have some scent leaf, but I don't think I'm gonna put in the scent leaf. This is my scent leaf. I put it in my turkey, so I'm just not gonna put it in here. But yeah, and then I'm gonna cover this and bring it to a boil. So the sauce is boiling away. I have tasted it, and the pepper is just not giving, so I need to add more pepper, and then I'll add my rice. More pepper. In goes my delicious rice. So what I found is with cast iron, the heat retention is very high, so I'm not going to be covering this with foil. I'm just going to cover the pot with a lid and give this about 30 minutes. For protein, we are doing turkey. I'm not a typical boiler of turkey. I usually just grill straight out, but I just got this turkey out of the freezer, so I needed to just boil it a little bit just so that the seasonings can get into the turkey. So the turkey stock is actually fire. I could have waited and used it for my jollof rice. Actually, I think that would have been the smart thing to do, but I'm in a rush, so it is what it is. Our lightly broiled turkey is done. I'm gonna hit it with a second spice mix thingy, and then I'm gonna add in some oil, and it's gonna go in the air fryer. Air fryer ready.